Let's compare the AILKIN car charger against the OCEEK iPhone charging cable. So basically these are almost like two sides of the same coin. So the AILKIN charger plugs into the accessory socket in your car. You end up with two USB ports, the large size USB ports, and then it does not come with a cable. So this is the charger, but no cable. Now with the OCEEK, it's the exact opposite. This is the cable to plug into your iPhone. You see a big USB port on one side. We get our small lightning connector on the other side, but there's no charger with it. You have to still plug it into a charger. So really the best way to charge up in the car here with these two is actually to get the AILKIN car charger, and then you can just plug the large USB on this OCEEK cable right in there. You still have another USB port, so you could do multiple phones. Plug this into your accessory socket in the car, and then plug this into your iPhone or other Lightning connector compatible Apple device. So basically, two sides of the same coin: charger, no cable; cable, no charger. You can combine them together and end up with the full everything you need. On the other hand, you can also plug different USB cables into the AILKIN to charge other devices, like an Android device. And of course, you can plug the cable here from OCEEK into a different charger, like a home charger as well. Both great accessories for charging, just again, a slightly different purpose.